be doing an install video on the RF Photon LED RGB rock light kit. So right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you guys what all comes in this kit. It's actually really awesome, right? Makes everything super simple. So you have this, which is what all of your rock lights are going to plug into. Okay, and kind of like the control box for that. Fuse tap, all of these extensions, I believe they're 10 feet. You have your zip ties, and then these are the rock lights. It feels super durable, super strong. Your magnets, screws, and then you have adhesive. Let's get into this install. So here's your rock light. Here are your magnets. I'm gonna take these two right here. I'm gonna take these screws and pop it in your rock light just like that. Then you want to start twisting this in. I like to start it with my finger first because it's real easy. And then we'll take the Allen wrench, or it's a 7/64, and then we'll just tighten it down right there. Do the next one, just drop it in there, twist it in, finger tight again, and then position it with the Allen wrench. All right, and then you're good. We're doing the front with the magnets. The best thing about this kit is that it is magnetic, super strong. I like this spot where the wire is going to run through because I do have this Viper cut and it's going to make it super easy just to get back up there. This wiring going through up here, coming out the same spot as the headlight. We put this rock light up here with screws. We have this wiring going all the way down here under. You can take and follow this wire all the way. It follows my rock sliders. We take it up here. I have this cab mount chop, so I run the wire up here. This is where your ABS lines go, and I just have the wire going through the same spot. And then I took it up here in the engine bay, and then the positive grounded to the battery right there, and then we have the negative right there. This side completely zip tied everything, ran up through here, and then we ran the wiring that comes through this headlight from down here up through this back side, and then everything is stuffed back here. We put the control box right here just with the adhesive that they give you. Since we didn't use those on the rock lights, no need for them. All this came out super clean. Let's start it up and then we will plug everything in. Okay, we're started. That's awesome. Let's make sure all sides are on. Just make sure we wired everything in properly. Here we go, on. I'm gonna show you guys how everything's controlled. And so you have your on, off, auto, up the brightness, lower the brightness, and then all your colors.